In this riverbank cross-section, the perfectly calm surface is 0 on our vertical number line. Above the water stands a heron, and diving down below is an otter. Opposite signs indicate opposite locations relative to that 0 waterline. To find any opposite, you just have to watch two things: the direction and the size. Think of it as taking a number and reflecting it straight across the 0 line. Using this reflection to track both distance from 0 and direction allows us to organize the entire system of signed numbers. Let's try it. What number is the exact opposite of -5, and how do we prove it? This animated diagram maps our start. We begin at 0 and move 5 units down into the negative zone, which places us at -5. To find the opposite, we reflect that move. We take the same distance, 5 units, but we travel in the opposite direction from 0. We land exactly at +5. The opposite of -5 is 5. Opposite numbers always share the same distance from 0. They only differ in their sign. We can apply this symmetry to arithmetic. Why does -8 plus 8 equal 0? Starting at 0, we travel 8 units down to land on -8. Predict where you will land if you move 8 units in the positive direction. Moving +8 traces our exact steps back, returning right back to the 0 waterline. -8 and 8 sum to 0 because opposites balance around 0. An equal movement in the opposite direction returns you to your starting point. Consider a bank account with a deposit of $12, followed by a withdrawal of $12. What is the total change? This horizontal number line on the sand shows the deposit jumping 12 units forward. The withdrawal is the negative version, jumping 12 units backward, landing us back at 0. Mathematically, +12 plus -12 equals $0. Opposite quantities cancel each other out because they describe equal changes moving in opposite directions. This cheat sheet illustration shows our final takeaway. The opposite of a number is that same number of units reflected across 0. Understanding how distance and direction work together prepares you to accurately order these numbers and use them in more advanced calculations.